In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a cookie banner into your Webflow site seamlessly. Let's get started by navigating to your Webflow dashboard. Once you're there, look for the project workspace and locate the project you want to work with. This is where all the magic, creativity, and the nitty-gritty of your site design happens, so having a project ready to go is essential. Now, once you've identified your project, you'll want to dive into its settings. This area holds the key to customizing and refining elements that aren't part of the visible design space, but are crucial for functionality. Moving on, when you arrive at the settings page, you'll need to draw your attention to the Custom Code tab. This section is important because it's where you can add that extra layer of personalized detail to your site, especially if you're looking to manage scripts and integrate external functionalities. You'll find this tab conveniently positioned among other options. Think of it as the area where you refine how your website communicates on a technical level. Now, here's a vital step: pasting the installation code. You'll take this code snippet and place it within the head code section. This part of your settings ensures that any script you add here loads with your website's head elements. This is crucial, especially for elements like cookie banners that need to load right at the beginning of your website experience to comply with regulations. It's all about giving your users transparency and control over their data from the moment they engage with your site. Once you've pasted the code, don't forget to click that Save button. It's a small step, but monumental in making sure your code configuration is securely in place. Finally, for your newly integrated cookie banner to go live on your site, you'll need to publish these changes. Locate the Publish button and give it a click. Publishing ensures that all the hard work you've put into customizing and setting up the cookie banner reflects on your actual website, providing visitors with the information and choices they need. It refreshes your public site with these latest updates, so your changes effectively take center stage. And that's it. Clear, simple steps that promise to enhance your site's functionality while also keeping user experience front of mind. Remember, each of these steps plays a critical role in ensuring your site is not only aesthetically pleasing, but is also configured to meet privacy standards. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to elevate your Webflow skills and improve your web design capabilities.